Welcome back. Apprentice Richie Shakes dominated Sunday's 9-race card at Manus Park with a 4-timer, including creating a massive upset with 34-1 shot Slam Sharp in landing the co-feature Aston Cormac Memorial Trophy going a mile. Meanwhile, even money favourite Mighty Gully romped to victory in the feature Marbrook Sprint Trophy. Denise Walters has our racing review.
Slam Sharp, who stalked to the likes of Bob the Builder and Brahma Bull, found a space in between horses to outrun Rail Runner, locked down in a well-timed come-from-behind run under a ride from Richie Shakes.
The Mameri chase, Brahma Bull trying to kick in on the outside, Slam Sharp between horses. Watch Lockdown sneaking up against the rail. They arrive at the furlong pole. Bob the Builder under tremendous pressure. Slam Sharp now looks to point. Watch Lockdown against the rail. It is Slam Sharp. Lockdown trying to get to Slam Sharp. They're in the final yardage. Slam Sharp and Richie Shakes. He'll have a triple. Marlowe a double. Slam Sharp wins it over Lockdown.
One of two winners for trainer Michael Marlowe. Slam Sharp won by 1 3/4 lengths in 1 minute 41 flat. Meanwhile, Shakes had earlier opened his account in the third event aboard 9-1 shot Prince Daniel for trainer Michael Kane. He returned in race 6, riding 20-1 upsetter Bad Tanisha to victory for trainer Robert French. Shakes also landed the 8th event with the Fitznahum Williams conditioned 4-1 chance Astoria. In the meantime, Mighty Gully in a gate-to-wire run registered his first win since November to capture the feature Marbrook Sprint Trophy, an overnight allowance contest going over the 5 straight course.
Another one now being switched toward the center of the racetrack, but it is Mighty Gully coming near to the stand fence. Another one, and Rico in hot pursuit, but Mighty Gully has a 3-length lead. Inside the final 16th, they're not going to stop Mighty Gully and terrific Tevin Foster from winning the Marbrook Sprint Trophy. Another one is second. Rico is third. Major Danger fourth. Fearless Soul is fifth.
Ridden by Tevin Foster and conditioned by Robert Pearson, Mighty Gully won by an impressive 5 1/4 lengths in a very good 57 4. Two-time champion jockey Radish Roman rode a double. Racing continues on Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.